Hello everyone, how you guys are doing? I was wanting to show y'all my analysis for the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen. I am on the 1 hour time frame. So right now I am waiting. It is selling at the moment, if you can see. And I do have my support and resistance, so basically key levels to help me know what exactly going on in the market. And so I'm going to kind of explain to you a little bit what's going on here. So it has been dropping, if you can clearly see, and right now you can see, and I'm gonna try to zoom in if I can. Let's see if I can. You can kind of see where you can see that bullish candle here. It's not really a candle, it's more, it's trying to decide what it wants to be. It's almost like an doji right now. It's trying to decide what it's trying to do. It's deciding what it wants to be. So anyway, what I am anticipating on is I'm anticipating for it to either go to here, which is in the the 89.469 area. I'm anticipating for it to either go in that area, or where you see my other support, the yellow, which is highlighted in yellow at the 89.428. I'm anticipating for it to either go in either one of these areas and then take off going up. Okay, because if you remember, it always, once it goes to one level, it goes back up, or vice versa. So it always retests. So remember that. So but yeah, so I anticipated for it to go up here to this area, which is 89.732. Okay, so I believe it will go down a little more, which is not that much more down, and then it'll take off back up, and that's where my arrow is at. So so watch for that buy, because it's going to happen, and when it does happen, it's going to be at the 89.732. So remember that. So it's almost done. I have a strong feeling it's almost done selling. So if you rather just wait it out, you can wait until it does go to the 89.495, or it can go a little further down to 89.428. Okay, so either way, whenever it does go a little further down, it's going to take off back up. Okay, and when it does, like I said, 89.732 is what you should be looking for. All right, so I hope that was detailed enough for you. If you have